Special reminder: first, calibrate all the tools used in all programs in advance. 2 tools are used in this video operation, so calibrate the positions of 2 tools. 1. Select to install the driver automatically. 2. Open the lettering app. 3. Modify the spacing of measuring points according to material size. For set the safety height to 30 to 50 mm. 5. Set parameters to reserve the position where the fixture occupies the material to prevent the needle from hitting the fixture. 6. Select the location of the file to be processed and import the file. Create a folder on the desktop and place the files to be measured in a unified manner to facilitate finding the measured files. 7. Export this file to the newly created folder for subsequent import into the machine program. 8. Open the FileZilla software and open the file you just exported in this software. Double-click the file to refresh it in the right area. 9. Find the finished file in the engraving machine syntax system. Click the F3 button to drop the dust cover. 10. Align with the measuring needle. Measure the height from the table to the material surface. 11. After the measurement data is 40 mm and input into offset/setting, set G54P1, G54, workpiece origin coordinates. 12. Click Start in the computer engraving software, and click the Autumn Sim White Start Program button on the machine. 13. After the measurement is completed, a prompt box will appear indicating that the measurement is completed, and the data parameters are saved to the folder created at the beginning, named Test New. Use the hand wheel to match the engraving head to the initial workpiece origin. 15. Set the X, Y coordinates of the G54P2, G55, engraving tool workpiece. 16. Find the Test New file in Syntec and click Edit to open the program. 17. Modify and add a line G55 after G43H1 and click to load. 18. Put away the measurement table and click in order to start processing.